Wide Web. This is James with another penny stock update. This one is on Yamana Gold Inc. Ticker symbol AUY. Yamana Gold Inc. They are a Canadian based. Once again, Canada seems to be the haven of gold for the corporate offices. They have Ecuador, Argentina, Chile, Brazil. That's where they're doing their mining. This one here is a little more expensive than some of the ones we're looking at, which makes me feel all warm inside that maybe it's going to be a better company. We have a market cap of $5 billion. So it's 5 billion and 5 times bigger than the last one, you would think. Let's take a look at their stock price, I guess, first over 5 years. Look at that. They made money. You made 100% on your money in 5 years. Not bad. In 1 year, you lost 1%. You outperformed the Dow. In 6 months, you're up 11%. In 1 month, you're down 6%. In 5 days, I think gold is going to go up if we have a recession. I think the U.S. dollar is going to go down if we have a recession. Both of these things heavily work in their favor. Here is the income statement. They seem to be a pretty consistent money maker. Back in 2017, they lost money. 2018, they lost money. Now they make money. 2019, 2020, 2021, $147 million a year, $203 million a year. You'll notice that these two are equal, and these two are equal, these two are equal, and these two are equal. These foreign companies, they only have to report the results every 6 months. You don't get quarterly updates. So therefore, they just divide the number by 2 and they show it to you twice on these charts, but that's the reason behind it. So the next bar, 2022, the next quarter, actually, these are annual charts. So yeah, this would be a mere coincidence. If you look at the quarterly ones, though, they should be identical. Nope. Maybe not in this case. They must be reporting this one straight from Canada. Okay, so we got quarterly ups and downs, yearly. Looks like they got back to their old glory on revenue. Net income, $147 million for the year. No, they're not a cash cow. They made money 3 years in a row. I think that's what has everybody jazzed up about it. I don't like it as much from looking at this as I do the last company that we looked at. This one, I think you could have gotten a better price in March of this year. You could have gotten it for $508 instead of $521, which would have been better. In the last year, you could have gotten it for $4. That would be about the bottom. So $521. Let's check out their balance sheet. Maybe people have big expectations on their future. The balance sheet is growing from 2019 and back to 2017 levels. You'll notice their liabilities are a little higher than most of these gold companies in comparison to their assets. They're an expensive company to run, apparently. They've been putting money on their credit cards. Operating expense is $600 million. And so they got to pay the workers to dig up the dirt and throw it in the sleuth and make the gold and get the stuff out of the earth. They are a more consistent, profitable company than we have seen. Will the profit grow? I don't know. It concerns me that in 2019, gold was less than $1,400 an ounce. And here, just 1 year later, on the same revenue, you have a tie happening with the revenue. Now gold's up to $1,800. Gold's up to $1,800. I don't see any more profit coming out of this company. I feel like they went and bought something. Let's see if their balance sheet jumped up in the last 2 years. Yeah, it did. Maybe they took that profit that they earned and they went and bought some more mines or some more land. I don't know. It would have been really nice if they would have shown us the bigger profit, because this year should have been Mongo on that revenue. This should be 33% bigger than this. They went from 203 million down to 147 million. This thing should have been 300 million in profit at least, and they did more revenue. There should have been even more than that. Clearly, they're investing in something or doing something poorly, spending more money to get it, but they did get it and they did get the revenue. But where's the profit? I don't know. It either got churned up by a new purchase or it got churned up by a ridiculous operating expense. You make your call. We'll take a look at some quick news articles on this company. Here's why. Goldfield Yamana set down dates for voting on proposal all-share takeover. Looks like they're doing a buyout, so yeah, they are spending some money. Yamana takeover battle brews as rivals make a $4.8 billion bid. Oh, they're a takeover target. And that was November 4th of 22. Yamana provides notice of record and meeting dates for the proposed something or other on Yahoo Finance. Their proposed transaction with Agnico and Pan American Silver and declares a fourth quarter dividend. So we got a dividend now on this stock. I like it. I don't know. It looks like they're doing stuff. They're doing stuff to get bigger. They're pretty darn big already. Could they leave well enough alone and show us some profit? Probably. Are they going to show us a massive profit soon? Maybe that's the plan. The stock seems to be stably bouncing up and down and doing all of its nutty stuff. Higher peaks, 619 last year. Yeah, close to 7. A little over 6. You're not going to make a ton on this one, but you're going to keep your money and you might grow your money. You might be better off in bonds. But if they got something big coming off here, and if this 22 and 23 turns into, something with the adequate $300 million in net income, it might just take the price and shove it up to $10 for you. And then you'll have a nice future to grow out with the company. The dividend was 2.30%. I like it. I don't like it for $5. I think they're trying to grow up too fast. Some of y'all like that. Some of y'all don't. If you are going to grow up fast, at least you're going to do it at a profit. I do like that. They're growing up fast and they're showing a profit. So that, I guess, I really do like. During a recessionary times and a crashing dollar times, yeah, absolutely. I think I would be in on this one. I'd love to get in under 5. Yamana Gold, everybody. AUY. Check it out. Do your own research. Check out the news. Check out the projections in the future. How much gold do these companies have that they're buying out? Are they going to get bought out themselves? We got some interesting things going on. Sure, this is a spike in the last year. It looks bigger than it is. It's $4 to $5. That was a 20% spike. So check out AUY, Yamana Gold. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. I'll bring you more stock updates. That wraps it up for the whirlwind of gold for tonight. We are done looking at gold companies. We might look at some bigger ones here shortly. We'll save that for another day. But Yamana Gold, everybody. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.